Synesthesia is a neurological phenomenon where the stimulation of one sensory pathway leads to involuntary experiences in a second sensory pathway. People with synesthesia, called synesthetes, might hear colors, see sounds, or taste shapes. This condition is believed to result from increased connectivity or cross-wiring in the brain, particularly in regions responsible for processing different sensory inputs. There are many forms of synesthesia, with grapheme color synesthesia being one of the most common. In this type, individuals perceive specific letters or numbers as inherently colored. Another type, chromesthesia, involves associating sounds with colors. For instance, a synesthete might see bursts of color when they hear music. Synesthesia is not considered a disorder. Rather, it's a unique way of perceiving the world. Many synesthetes report that their experiences are automatic and consistent over time, adding an extra layer of richness to their sensory world. The phenomenon is often linked to creativity, with numerous artists, musicians, and writers using their synesthetic experiences as a source of inspiration. While synesthesia has been known for centuries, scientific interest has grown recently, leading to a better understanding of how our brains process and integrate sensory information. This research could have broader implications for fields like cognitive science, psychology, and even artificial intelligence. Please note that the individuals shown in this video are for illustrative purposes only. Thank you for watching.